from the workshops. They've been really, really good. Lots of energy, good people. Super excited to be here for this. I see a couple people from the US have come over for this festival, so that's pretty cool. Look at this place. This street is very old looking. Ooh, is that the Twinings? That's where I wanted to go. Look. Right? Yay! Look at that, Lake George. I didn't even know I was going here. Let's go to the home of the Twinings.
De har ju någon...
Come together to create.
I'll go. Get out. Stop touching me.
Back to my hotel from a full day of dancing. These workshops were good, but my feet and back are killing me. I do plan on going to the social later tonight, so I'm gonna rest a little bit, but I need a sit down proper meal. And I tell you, this is the last time I'm walking to this hotel. 20 minutes. No bus, no train option. If it weren't for the fluffy, luxurious bedding and the deliciously large towel, it just wouldn't be worth it. I don't think I would stay here again just for that. But I would stay at another Ruby hotel. I know there are other Ruby hotels, so maybe in a better locale, I would try one of those hotels again. And there's nothing around here. There's no food. No stores. Looks like a ghost town. I don't know where I am. But anyway, workshops were good. I'm going to find some good food. Going to the social. Maybe an hour or two. And then that will be that. All right, we're going out. Dinner and dancing.